Understanding the phrase, woodwork project. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, woodwork project. This is a common term in English, particularly in contexts involving crafting, DIY, and hobbies. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English expressions, this video will help you understand and use this phrase confidently. So, let's dive in. First, let's break down the phrase, woodwork project, into two parts, woodwork and project. Woodwork. This refers to the skill or activity of making things from wood. It includes carving, building furniture, and even constructing house parts like doors or frames. Project. In general, a project is a planned set of tasks designed to achieve a specific goal. When we combine these words, a woodwork project is any task or plan that involves creating or building something using wood. To give you a clearer picture, here are some common examples of woodwork projects. Building a bookshelf, creating a shelving unit from wood to hold books. Crafting a wooden chair, designing and assembling a chair using woodworking skills. Making a birdhouse, constructing a small house for birds, typically hung outdoors. Each of these activities requires different woodworking techniques, but they all fall under the umbrella of woodwork projects. Now, let's see how the phrase, woodwork project, is used in sentences. 1. I'm working on a new woodwork project this weekend, building a coffee table. 2. Her woodwork project won first prize at the school fair. 3. Do you have any tips for beginners starting their first woodwork project? These examples show how the phrase can be naturally incorporated into everyday conversation. Understanding phrases like woodwork project can be incredibly useful, especially for those interested in DIY and crafting, when reading instructions or tutorials related to woodworking, in conversations where hobbies or handcrafts are being discussed. I hope this video has helped clarify what a woodwork project is and how you can use this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in context can greatly improve your language skills. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Stay curious and keep learning.